guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tilda. For those of you who are new to this channel, please subscribe and join this family for more educating and fun content. So before we jump straight into the video, today I tried something new. I'm not that colorful eyeshadow girl, but of late I think I started with yellow eyeshadow, and today I did that neon green. So what do you think about this look? Is it nice? Is it given? Does it fit me, or I should just be doing the nude colors? Let me hear what you have to say about this look. And if you want to know how I created this look, to let me know in the comment section so that I do a tutorial video on that. So today's video is about 3 things that changed my life completely. Yes, there are 3 powerful things that I started doing and it changed my life completely. So the first thing I would like to talk about is forgiving my past and moving on. So gone are the days when I hold on to my past, where I treat myself harshly for the mistakes I did in the past. Taking decisions was very difficult for me. So whenever there's a time for me to make a decision, I doubt myself. What if this thing doesn't end up successful like before? What if I make a mistake like the other one? What if I enter into this relationship and it ends up like the old ones? What if I enter and I get hurt again? What if I go and I don't do it well? And these are some of the things that pulled me back in life. And when I decided to forgive myself of my past, things became very easy for me. Now I could take decisions as quickly as possible. And so things have started changing in my life. And that was the best decision I ever took. Now, the second point is listening more and speaking less or talking less. Gone are the days gone are the days when I used to talk back, defend myself, try to justify myself, try to justify my actions. But I sat down and made resolutions. And whenever someone says something about me, talks about me, criticize me, I sit down, think through, and make solutions out of every problems that I face. So then when I hear people talking, I tend to listen more and take notes of everything that they say rather than talking back unnecessarily. So I learned to pay attention to every details of information that I receive out there. So when people are talking, wherever I find myself, when someone is talking or addressing me, I pay attention, keep quiet, and listen attentively for the person to finish, take out the important stuff out of it, and work on it. And that also was very good. It was a very good initiative in changing my life and the way I do my things. Yeah. Now, the last thing I'd like to talk about is doing more and complaining less. What do I mean by doing more and complaining less? Some people are fond of complaining about everything. If you give them something to do, they start complaining. If you say this, they start complaining. Do this, they will complain. Do that, they will complain. And I was one of those people. Even though I'll do the thing, I used to complain before doing it. So there's a thing I do before complain, but that wasn't the case. I complained before doing it, and that wasn't helping at all. So I sat down and I was like, so if I'm going to do this thing at the end, why not keep quiet, shut up, and just go ahead and do this thing and finish early rather than sitting there wasting time talking. The thing is, whether you talk and talk or not, you are still going to do it. So why not keep quiet and start early so that you'll be able to finish early, right? So that's one thing I resolved in my life: complaining a lot and doing less. Taking time to complain would rather waste your time. So I decided to do what I can and leave the rest. rather than talking more and doing nothing at all. So if you're given a task to accomplish or to complete, sit down, take notes, plan on how to accomplish that, and do the ones you can do at some stipulated time, rather than talking whilst you've not even tackled the task at hand. Sit down, plan how you're going to accomplish that task given you, the timing and everything, so that you'll be able to accomplish every little thing and even every other task given you. You can actually multitask so far as you're able to plan things well and schedule your life very well. So don't waste time talking, complaining, and not even starting it. If you're given a task, instead of talking unnecessarily about what is given you, can take that time to sit down, plan whatever is giving you, the timing, how to go about them, and ask questions if you don't understand anything, and just start doing something. Do it. You can do it. The talking won't help. Complaining wouldn't do anything. It will just lead you to your failure. If you want to be successful in this life, you need to start doing what you have to do. Don't sit and talk. Talking wouldn't do anything for you. To just delay you in life. And I hope you don't want that. So yeah, these are the 3 things that changed my life. Forgiving my past and moving on. Don't hold on to your past. They won't do anything to you. They will rather draw you back in life. Listen more and speak less. If you're a wise person, you don't talk all the time. You listen and grab some important things. And lastly, you don't talk and complain about everything. Sometimes you need to, close that lips of yours and take action. Do something before you die. That's what I can say. Alright, so this is the end of the video. See you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thank you very much for your love and your support so far. Bye bye.